Hello, guys. Welcome back, and let's unpack Otsando Nesithembu. Again, guys, listen. The opening scene it was Umaxele with her daughter-in-law Umakwela. Lalela, I've been bora Umaxele bin Umakwela. Legit, Umaxele at this point she owns the mother-in-law cycle, because what has she been doing with the Umakwela? What have she been doing with Umakwela other than just be Makwela's mother-in-law? So lalela ke, it was a family trip whereby everyone Tombini took out the family that we know, okay, all the wives accepts uMaceleke, who decided ukuthi yena akasa-participate kuma-family trips, therefore akaye. So the OG wives showed up, okay, with their kids, except uMacele. Lalela-ke, uMacele had other arrangements. Yeah, guys, uMacele loya mama undisho shook, okay, because she then organized to go ku trip noMakwela. Ay bo guys, if ethi yena ama-family trips ayamcika nani, so yena benomakwela, they are like basically family now, because uMacela is now officially Musa's fiance. So ukuhamba nefiance yendoda yakhe akumciki, kodwa ukuhamba ne-family trip laba abanye abafazi ney'ngane kuyamcika. Njani guys, please someone come here and make it make sense. Make it make sense ukuthi uMacele akacikwa ukuhamba nefiance yendoda yakhe, but ukuhamba nalaba abanye kuyamcika. Ngoba kunjani? Ngoba kwenzakalani? Lalela-ke, they were having a breakfast bandla uMakhwele-ke benoMacele, and it seems like they've been trying to get hold of indoda yabo uMusa. And Musa was like, maybe his phones were off, he just wanted to dedicate a family time to family. He was like, I'm here on vacation with my family, I just want to be happy. Surprisingly ke uMakhwela nkosi yami, uMakhwela ngiyamswela, ubengazi nanokwazi ukuthi kune-family trip. Like at this point nje indaba yakhe, as much as we know ukuthi lobola has been paid, she is officially a fiance, kodwa like she is just still lingering in the air, because where is she in this family? Where does she fit in? No one really knows where does Makwela fit in, and where is she gonna just accept being a daughter-in-law kumacele nkosi yami mother-in-law wakhe. So officially ke bagcina sebekhulumile ngefoni. uMthombeni uthi nje yey ubengazi yena ukuthi unelungelo lokufonela uMakwela whilst uMakwela enomacele. This confuses ke uMakwela uthi hawu mbemu njengoba ungifonela wena emhleni kahle kahle ilungelo lokuthi ungifonele ubulithathaphi, which makes me wonder as well. Well ke noMacele naye uyasho ukuthi hey, I wonder ukuthi indaba ubaba yakhe ethi akakwazi ukufonela uMakwela, because laba abanye abafazi uyabafonela even if esesipark, but akakwazi ukufonela uMakwela. Ngobani? Hayi-ke uMakwela guyzini usesitshela ngama-challenges akhe of being in this setup, because she's currently pregnant, she have to go up on doctor's visits and all that. Now kuthiwa-ke uMthombeni akakwazi ukushow up kuwo wonke lama-appointments kadokotela. Even her first scan, she was alone by herself. How sad, mama. I mean, when you're pregnant and going to doctor's appointment, it's only fair to expect your partner to be there to support you through a difficult journey. Trust me, pregnancy is a very difficult journey on a woman, but yena uMakwela ke uyasho lana ukuthi uzothini phela, this is the setup that she chose for herself. Mthombeni cannot avail himself every now and then when uMakwela needs him, so I understand that she gets that, but one thing that confuses me, uMacele said that uSamke important, was wamkhulu, was important, and then she also said she herself, she's important. Guys, I so wish they can come back and elaborate more on that point. What exactly did they mean mabethi bona ba-important ngaleyo ndlela things izinto zama, because they were speaking in riddles. Personally, I did not know which event are they referring to. Yini into ele yama kwabaluleka uSamke. Like I don't know, and I honestly wish that next season someone could confront Umacele about this statement, and she elaborates further as to what did she exactly mean about saying she and Umakwela are very much important, because she did say, she refers to the fact that Yena, she knows everything. And I don't know why her knowing everything, knowing that your husband have a girlfriend, your husband has impregnated a girlfriend, your husband is going to pay lobola, why would that make you happy? Like, why? And why would that makes you even think that you are important? If anything, you are being disrespected, mami. You are being disrespected. But each to its own. Now in the next scene, never have I ever in my whole life would I ever say Mpumelelo talks sense. But listen, in this scene right here, Mpumelelo was speaking more sense than his father. I don't know, guys. Just because Umthombeni was sick, he sometimes lost his sense of reasoning, because he says that usne akazwani no mamncane bakhe uMakhumalo no Mangwabi. But then again, yena himself, he brings up in the table, and ngendlela engekho right, Umpumelelo uyasho ukuthi no, akusasizi manje to always bring things up, because now we are at the point where we need to look for a solution. We need to find a solution to our problems, And I'm like, hi Mpumelelo, wakhula Mpumelelo, where are you taking such wisdom? Because really, that's what's important right now, ukuthi usine no mamncane bakhe abazwani babangani nani. It's not important anymore. It's not, because we all know ukuthi bandla ngathi abazwani. But what's important ukuthi i-solution yokuthi bazwane siyithola kanjani, because at this point very very tricky, So I must say that I was very surprised, very 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 surprised, the fact that Mpumelelo was the one who was able ukuthi ebone. Therefore Umthombeni ke lana uyasho ukuthi no uSneville uyathanda ukukhulunyelwa uMpumelelo, and uMpumelelo mekhuluma like ngathi une voice, of which voice uMpumelelo wayiphiwa uyena uMthombeni. So therefore vele uMpumelelo at some point he does confuses himself, he does not understand that he's a child. He sometimes wants ukuthi kube uyena ufuna ukushaya umthetho lapha, and everybody amamele yena. But then again, it's not his fault. I feel like ubabakhe gave him that role ukuthi akawushaye umthetho. Well guys, up next we saw Umnini. Oh guys, you know what, amongst all Musa's children, Nini is the most lovable. Nini is the most adorable. Nini is the most cutest. Never have I ever in my whole life, especially on TV screen, just to connect with a baby in a TV screen, and you realize, oh my gosh, this baby is lovable. Like, I enjoy each and every second seeing Umnini on screen. And funny enough, they don't give him enough screen time because he's still young. But obviously all the babies when they are young, they are very adorable. And so I'm just hoping and praying that Nini's character never ever change as he grows older, because honestly, seeing him on TV, so adorable, very adorable. And he's out here complaining about fish. It's like they went fishing. It's just like, hey, angibonanga fish mina lapha, angibonanga nje fish. Now finally it was the time of the games. Yay. Kazi mina ngibona nje, when I tell you ukuthi the Mseleko family had fun together, without shading one another, without anything, like they were legit enjoying. They had the best time of their lives, okay? And each and everyone was expressing how happy they are, how things are running smoothly. Like, everyone was just expressing the happiness they have for, participating in these games. Tell me who is the one person who spoiled this thing? Usne nje wathi yena akafuni nje ukuparticipate kuma-games after uMakhumalo Nkosi abemselectile, publicly wathi mina ngikhetha ukuba noSne, but uSne wathi lalela ma ungayihluphi ngami, ungayihluphi ngami because I don't want to participate in this family activity, you know. Okay, guys, let me tell you, when I tell you it's nobody bothered themselves like life went on. They continued to have games, they grouped themselves, they were participating, they were happy. Let me tell you, all three of these wives, Makumalo, Mangwabe and Mayeni, they were happy, and they did say this also, yay saze sa happy, saze sa jabula emhlabeni. And they did say, making these family activities, in a way, it's like a support structure for their families, like a building structure for their family, because for once they are happy, for once they are focusing on a game, for once that's the only thing that is important, is to just be in the game. And seeing Umusa having such a huge family, and they are out, they are playing games, they are this, they are that, in a way you see his vision, you see that this man honestly wanted to have a big family, play with his family, be engaged with his family, and like you see his vision, because this is what he wanted and this is what he planned for his life. Obviously things didn't get go according to plan, because now his family don't get along, but the ideal vision was to have his family getting along, playing together and all that. Guys, I am not gonna stop this commenting about the family play without telling you this. Uma Khumalo was wearing leggings. They feel like it's a workout leggings. The bumps were out, get child, all the bum, the boom boom, the bomb was out. We could see all the bum. But Musa never complained. You all remember on the previous season, Musa even made Uma Khumalo to turn back home to change the leggings. I was like, no. I cannot have my wife being shown to the world wearing like that. No, it's unacceptable. But this time around, Umusa kosem, hey, walunga Musa. Kanti ukugula kunjani ngempela emhlabeni? Umusa ever since esegula usewusofty uselungile use-right. Oma Khumalo sebegqokela nje ama-working out leggings showing all the bumps, because Umusa ubengakuthandi lokho before, like legit he did not like that. But on this season, after he has been sick, bandla uselungile, imvi yenkosi, really he couldn't be bothered, he couldn't be bothered. Never, he didn't comment, because Umayeni benomangwabe, they were also wearing leggings, but they were wearing like long tops that cover their bums. But Uma Khumalo was wearing something so short that does not cover her bums at all. But Umusa Nkosi was walunga umusa wenkosi, legit said nothing. When I say nothing, I mean nothing, no do about Makhumalo's situation of showing all the bam. Now guys, up next, this is what we're gonna be seeing tonight. Well, it wouldn't be the Mseleko family without them giving us drama. As much as last night it was a happy episode, they were happy, they were playing games, their happiness was short-lived, Kesana, very short-lived. when drama started again. So I don't know whether drama will start at dinner or at breakfast or whatever, but listen, whenever the family have to be seated down together, the Mseleko family will be the Mseleko family. The Mseleko family will be the Mseleko family that we know. So kahle I do not know ukuthi kuzobe kwenzakalani, they will be fighting over what, but I know ukuthi i-issue like kuzobe kuMangwabe no Musa, they will be heads on, okay. So uMangwabe ke uthi nje yey uvele nje waphelela ngisho na appetite, imood yashintsha, kwathi nje akahambe yena vele yile ekhaya. How Ngobani ma like these people were legit happy right now. These people were legit very a happy beautiful family. We just witnessed a beautiful happy family playing games, doing themselves and all that. Why is it that like minutes later now they cannot stand each other? Why? What, like lalela guys, in this family is too much damaged. As much as Musa is trying so hard to say maybe perhaps one day my wives will get along, and I think a lot has happened over the years that nje, just one trigger ruins the whole thing, the whole moment. So I don't know whether Musa expected, because also Musa to be expected ukuthi ephakelwe ukudla kusetafuleni, that's on its own, it makes him to look like he treats himself like a baby. He thinks he's a baby, like he's already in the table, food is on the table, but he's not gonna dish up for himself. He's gonna wait for his wife to come and dish up for him. No, I don't like that behavior, because he treats himself like a huge baby. Like, you are in the table, there is food on the table, dish yourself, eat whilst you are hungry. People will arrive while you are eating, because sometimes it's very annoying to wait for people when you are really, really hungry. Thina ngesizulu sithi indlala ibangulaka, vele uthethe nje musulambile ungazi ukuthi uthethelani, kanti no, uthethiswa indlala. So ke unomphela ke guyzini wavele nje wathi lalela, I am not having it, ngiyahamba mina. And lalela, that's exactly what she did. Baby girl was just like, I am living, okay? Nathi kusne usekhomenta ngomangwabe, like in a very ill manner. Guys, inkinga la usne, inkinga usne futhi inkinga usne, because angi-understand ukuthi usne yindaba ezokhomenta ngomamncane wakhe. At the end of the day, umangwabe kusasoma wakhe, kusasoma mamncane wakhe, and athi nje yabona ke iyona ke inkinga lena ngomangwabe, because thina as a family sizothi sizenzele ukuthi yena vele zenzele nje okwakhe. Hayi bosine, ngeke mama, you are in no place to just make such comments about your mamncane. Hayi ngeke, ndiyala sine, ndiyala lokhu kwamampela ke manje. Anyway, in the last scene, we saw ukuthi ke uMacele whilst ebeno Samke, uSamke asked about ubaba kaMusa, of which I am so happy that someone asked about this question, because guys, one thing that we understand about Musa was raised by his mom alone and his grandmother. We know nothing about Musa's father. So Musa's surname Mseleko, it's not his father's surname, it's his mother's surname, of which I understand, because I'm Zulu. I know that probably this means his father never paid damages. So because his father never paid damages, this then means that he's Mseleko, he belongs to his mother's family. That I get. But he never mentioned his father. He never mentioned ukuthi, oh, ubaba angimazi, or ubaba akangikhulisanga, or ubaba this, nothing, akakhulumi lutho, okay? Kodwa ke uMacele ke finally wasirezela just to know ukuthi what is even his father's surname, so that we would know ukuthi should his parents be married, his surname rather was going to be this, But ke mina, I am so glad ukuthi uMacele usibuzele such an important question. Like, not uMusa. Hey, uMusa guys, very manipulative man, that one. He then says, hey bo, uMacele ungenaphi lapho? I'm so lost. Like, I did not appreciate that statement at all, and I'm hoping that he will retrieve it, because what does he mean? That's your fiance. He has to know about you, okay? He is your fiance now, and you have impregnated her. So but you cannot explain your lineage, you cannot explain your background. What does that even supposed to mean? Personally, I hope this is a storyline that I've been wanting to know about Musa forever, because Musa, one thing about him, he does emphasize that he does not get along with his family, and he leave it like that. He says it's because he became successful than his family, and he leave it like that. And I know being black, what he's saying about him being successful and his family maybe distancing themselves from him, that's totally true. It's very true, because that's how black people are. But he just never elaborates further. He never elaborates that, no, I had an auntie that I was once close to. No, I had an uncle. Like, he chooses not to elaborate further. And he then tells us this is reality. If you're saying this is reality, tell us. Air your dirty laundry. We need to hear it. Anyway, guys, so please comment down below and tell me, are you happy about the fact that we are finally going to be getting a storyline about Musa's father? Maybe how they broke up with his mom or whatever, why he's not close with his father. Have his father ever came looking for him? Something we need to know. Musa, please give us something. Anyway, that's the end of the review. Please do make sure that you comment down below, and I will be back with the next one. Till then, please do stay blessed, and I love you.